Man, it sure has been a busy day. I think I'll just take a quick nap. It's just a few minutes. Wow, that sure was a great... Wait, how long has it been?
Several months later.
Wait, what? Hello everyone, my name is Legend and welcome to my 5,000 subscriber special. This is a huge milestone, so I want to thank you guys so much for all the support. And to celebrate this milestone, I'll be taking some time during this video to answer some of the most frequently asked questions I see in my comment section. So let's get started. Alright, so let's start with question number 1. Where have I been? Well, you may remember over a month ago now, I posted a video building a 1.17 castle, and after I did that, I really didn't know what I wanted to post. I mean, I did quite a few building videos over the last few months, and I was just kind of uninspired. And then, for a week, I was just trying to come up with ideas, just play Minecraft with friends, and then I got quarantined, and I got COVID. No symptoms, but I was still demotivated to upload. And then, by the time that was over, it was already spring break, like giving me another few weeks where I couldn't upload. But hopefully I should be uploading more, hopefully once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, we'll see. For question 2, let's head back to January, where my channel blew up because I built the Among Us airship in Minecraft. And that got very popular, over 200,000 views, which contributed greatly to this milestone. And I posted a download for it and another Among Us map, and many people have asked me, will I be making more Among Us? And probably not. Among Us there's no way they're going to release another map within the foreseeing future, and there's really not much that I could build. I know I could build the Skeld, the Polus, whatever the other one is, but there are so many of those already, I don't feel like it would be worth the time. So, for now, that's a no. Maybe in the future. Question number 3. Will I ever do a Let's Play? I also see this question a lot, and I've tried. I really want to do a Let's Play, but I can never get one that works. A product that I'm really happy with. Usually has something to do with video or audio problems. Sometimes dying, unfortunately, after making a good amount of progress. But, hopefully, in the future. For now, that's not really practical content that I want to do, because I prefer taking a lot more time on my videos. For question number 4, I'm often asked about my PC specs. What kind of computer do I have? And it's a HP computer that I bought pre-built off of Amazon a few years ago at a great deal. And it is a Ryzen 5. Other than that, I really don't know too many statistics on it. So if you want to find those, just look in the description. Question number 5. Did you know that the Among Us airship actually originated from Henry Stickman?
Yes.
Yes, I did. And lastly, question number 6. What's next? Well, what videos am I posting now that I'm back? Well, I have quite a few ideas, mainly long builds that are going to take me a few weeks, but I hope to have them out for you guys too. But for now, no spoilers. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy, you want to see more videos, hopefully, then be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.